surpassing goal and go down there.
Big things, you know?
It was a pleasure for me and Sean to be involved with it. I say also congratulations on being the only female and the highest selling female album on 10.
May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, non stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
People are going, they don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. You know, things set. Big up everybody, you see me? Yeah, man. But what we are going to talk about today, let me tell the people. We love the look, you see me? Every corners, you see me? Everybody I do them thing. I just saw it thing go. All me I say, no one man can dominate dancehall over the world. You see it? I have two giants, and them man that set the pace internationally. You understand? From way before social media, following up to social media. You see it? You don't know Shaggy and Sean Paul. You see me? I have to respect the work with them put in. You see me? Cartel just a forward and I do the thing. Seeing? You don't know him the absence a couple years and thing. Now you don't know him I get him endorsements and all of them something there. So I go on a wireless and him arena them where him a do one thing. Is it? Yeah, him a reap off a way him never have before, is it? While I represent dancehall. But as me say, no one man can dominate a genre, is it? Yeah man. So Shaggy and Sean Paul I do it long time. Is it? But you don't know the people them might say, yo, on a dance, some say on a dance all them do and Ray and Tay, but every time them money I go up, flag off the back pocket with them kerchief and certain little things, you see it? Yeah man, off the represent the music, you see it? But it's just Sean Paul and Shaggy just kinda do them thing. You see it? Yeah man, them a do them thing, man. Where in a space where they may be in a certain circle or certain little things are, you see me? The man them forward, come a yard, you know, them family and everything, yeah, and then go out the back in the world and try to make links and, you see me? I do them shows same way with them thousands of people, you see me? When you look at some different set of people, some white people and things, you see it? So, the thing look good, you see me? And we have to just say, yo, give thanks, say, yo, them brother, yeah, I still do it after so much years, you see me? Yeah, man. Because the music, it a go on good. You see me, it a go on good. You see me, all before Cartel did I come do it. You see me, it's just that, if I understand, say, yo, certain little things were that go on back then, the social media never saw current like now. You see me, so you see what Cartel I do? What Cartel I do, you know, social media is there for flash it over this or flash it over here and certain little things. You see me? Yeah, man. So, it got even in everybody eye and people are say, oh, this a go on rate zine. But when you check it still, it a go on long time. You see me, Shaggy and Sean Paul them been a do it, but you see because them man they well focused on them work and you see me, the media space no really like show up them thing there, you see me, cause you don't know them man they no really depend on the industry, you see me. Yeah man, them only come add on. You see me, so them man they not too depend on the industry, so them just go out there in the world, make them links and use them links out there, you see me, cause industry out there is still, you know, it kind of corrupt, you know, yeah man. Hypocrites and bias and all of them something, you see it, cause if you not try, if them not no control of you, them not go endorse you see me, yeah man. So that's why you would think say you were one set of man do this and do that. You see me, but back in them days there, it did I do. You see me, so when you hear people talk and I say, yo, Ray, Cartel I do it and everything. Yeah, Cartel I do it. We can't deny that. But them money I do it long time. It's just that social media now put it up, the industry not really endorse it like that. You see me? But I just saw a thing set. You see me? Everybody have them selective ways where, alright, this is artist, them are endorse and thing, you see me, and realize say, yo, if you're an artist and you not do certain things or push certain narrative, you see me? You're not gonna really get, cause them man ya just push music, you see me? Them not in no drama. Sean Paul and Shaggy, them not in no drama about no girl. You see me? Certain little things where you woulda know the average man them woulda not do in a dancehall, you see me? Them man are just humble and just do them thing, put in the work out there, you see me? Cause them man are pre the hype and the fame and all of them look something there, you see me? And the bag of media thing and all of them something there. Them man are just focus on them work. Yeah man, them just focus on them work, man. You see me? Put in the work. You see me? Yeah. And we see what Shaggy and Sean Paul do. We talk about globally, like the man them might do it. You see it until today, but I realize say yo, them not really highlight it. You see me? Them not really highlight them thing. So that are the thing where me no like. You see it? If 10 artists are do it, you have to highlight the 10 artists them, cause that good for dancehall. You see me? You cannot highlight one somebody where one somebody I do. It kinda unfair say yo. If you know say yo, yeah, make it seems like say yo, I want somebody I do it. You see it? Nothing wrong if a person I do it. Everybody I do it for the culture, but you have to show it say yo, everybody I do it for the culture and not one person I do it. Cause one person can't do it. Social media will make it seems like say one person can do it, but when you check reality, no. And reality I go hit where people are gonna realize what really are going. You see it? Yeah man. Because when no show now do, what the other major artists them are gonna do? Them are go out there represent. You see it? Yeah man. Cause remember you know, a music you know. See, and if we have 10 stages we represent dancehall, one man can do at the 10 stages at the same time. You have to have multiple artists that do it. You see me? Who get endorsement more than certain artists and who do it organically. You understand? I put in the work, put in the work, put in the work. Shaggy and Sean Paul them man they not really care about who want like them, who want rate them, who want endorse them thing. Because them know them set the pace globally. You see me? Because anywhere you go, if you're going to some country, some white country, some country where when a diaspora not really there, trust me, Shaggy and Sean Paul big in them places. You see me? Them big everywhere. But they might not seem to the crowd favorites. They maybe rate the music, but they might be the crowd favorites based on you don't know them man they kind of keep themselves to themselves in a way. Them in the street now and then, but it's not a regular thing like I see some artists there so every day and certain little things, you see me? So I saw the thing said. And I read to see what go on the music now, you see me? Yeah, the representation, you see it. I love what go on and wireless, that's what me like. I love see when a bunch of artists dominate the space. You see it, yeah, and to highlight, cause I saw it going on. You can't use one artist and do it. You see me? You can't use one artist and do it. So you need multiple artists. So you see Vice Cartel there, you see Spice, you see Massacre. Him call out couple artists, Popcaan, you see me? Yeah. I love see them representation there for the music. Yeah man. The one man thing, no, that nah, it now got powerful enough, cause when the one man thing they kinda slow down after a while. You need the other rest of artists them. You see it. And remember say them artists where they are wireless are linky them. They might get the endorsement from one man for years. You see me? So that are the thing. So we love the music, you see me? And dancehall been going on. You see me? People might say yo nothing not going for dancehall and the young youth them not do it and way. The youth them a do it, is just that the youth them not reach to them potential in them career yet. Some of youth them are less than 5 years. You see me? Them giant where you see I do it in it for years. So them build a good catalog for kind of put the music out there. You see me? Sean Paul and Shaggy them a do them thing and represent dancehall. See me? They might collab with some artists at times where you see me, but at the end of the day a dancehall them a represent a dancehall the world know them for. You see it, no matter what happen, because be it them not change up them style or whatsoever. They might go like a little proper, you know, English it little, but not full English. You see me? Yeah. But them put in the little roughness dancehall night. Same way. You see me? Yeah man. But I rate how the music are going right now. Yeah, man, I rate it because a lot of people are do it. Cartel are do it. Bounty are do it. Beanie Man are do it. Spice them are do it. Popcaan, everybody are do it. Sean Paul, Shaggy, Alkaline. You see me? Everybody are do it on a massive thing. You see me? Yeah, man. That's how the thing said. So, I rate how the thing are going. And as me say, yo, one man can't endorse dancehall in a powerful way. You need a lot of people who will make the thing cement. You see it? Yeah, man. So, this are the thing. Shaggy and Sean Paul. And what we need to do as the industry, we need to appreciate what the artists them do out there. We can't appreciate what one person do. Yeah, man. We can't appreciate what one person do. Because at the end of the day, you know, everything we are going to just absence. You still have to appreciate the artists them where the day road are put in the work same way. You see me? Because if a man never forward out of the same man, them would push the dancehall and things same way. People might say, oh, them not going with nothing cause what? Them are not the favorites of them. You see me? Them not push certain agenda. So when I try to block them out on certain things. You see it. But at the end of the day, people, a dancehall, and once you represent dancehall, is a good look. Yeah, man. I saw me see it. Is a good look. Yeah, man. And the young youths, them, I do them little thing. Them just need to, like, you know, try to be versatile. Try to come out of the comfort zone there. You see me? Yeah. Come out of the comfort zone there and do nothing. You can't just do the same thing, the same message. Yeah, them they not go really do nothing. You need some song where, because right now, realize the label thing right now is like, I don't know. Social media gets so powerful right now where the label thing don't really have that power there again. Like back then them they have it. But like now, social media alone will make your thing look good. You see me, I left a cover up or PR thing, it will make your thing look good. But the label right now, jaja. Nothing wrong if a man sign or thing, but I just feel like say a man just need to build him fan base. Yeah, man, build him fan base. Yeah, man. You have fan base where you just have for just your clout. You see me, you have fan base where just your music. You have fan niche, fan base. You know, you have different type of fan base. You have fan base where we just love music. Where we just forward out for any artist and big them up on certain things. You see me? And you have the fans them were loyal to the artist. Where no matter what, them dead, them a support music, them a support shows, all of them things that them a support. You see me? Yeah, man. But the thing I look good. Yeah, man, the thing I look good. It been looking good. It's just that everything fall in a line at the same space. You see me? Yeah, you don't know. Cartel forward out. Beanie get back visa. Cartel get back visa. Bounty get back visa. I do only have forward too. I do only have go in a UK Sans. Our next dancer representation that too. You see me? Alkaline have him show worldwide. Him keep it at UK. Him in the US. It's there. You see me? It a go on. You see me? Everybody I do them thing. I put in the work with them for put in for represent. Yeah, man. You know what the thing said. So, Mariette is a good look. It's a good look because I tell you why it's a good look. Mariette say, yo, in this a short space of time, a lot of people are represent in a certain way. You see me? Yeah, man. There's a lot of people. And the thing is that, you know, why you see this impactful representation at dancehall is because a lot of people get access to go certain place at this moment. Like from 2024 to 2025. Everybody get back the access. For fly go so get back them visa. And it just so, to me, I just the timing and the equation and yeah, where everybody get it. You know, maybe it's a luck, maybe it's just a sign, a godly sign to say, yo, alright. We make everybody get back them papers. So them can just represent dancehall on a big scale. Cause remember, you know, every genre in our world right now, you know, them have them time where them are dominate and then things kinda slow down. Little. Zine. Dancehall right now, dancehall are dominate worldwide. Right now, like a dancehall time now. Yeah, man, a dancehall time now. Few years ago, little, it was the African them. Yeah, man, it was the African them. But now, a dancehall. US always a keep and thing. You see me? So, me understand with that. Yeah, man, understand with that. So, a dancehall in the current right now, we are do the thing. Yeah, and a one bunch of artists are do it. Everything does fall in line at the right time, you see me? Yeah. Yeah, man, so it's a good look. It's a good look, people. Yeah, man, it's a good look. Good look. And me with the music, you know. Yeah, man, me with the music. So, if cartel, I carry out them people, yeah, I make them get theme session, you know, in absence in a dancehall and thing. Yeah, it's a good look. Once the artist I represent dancehall, with that. You see me? I'm not gonna be biased on certain thing with that. You see me? So yeah, man, the thing look good. But as me say, one man can't do it. Yeah, man, one man can't do it. Social media might make it look and see him say, yo, one man a do it. No, and that's how it work. Cause social media different from the real world, the reality where people are see. You see me? Cause at the end of the day, you might in a certain area like Jamaican, you see the page them a post zine and a post a man thing, and you know might know say yo in a some world right now them not really know what go on. Yeah, man, I saw you think said them not really know what go on, so you might team say yo every page I post it, or you have page when I post it same way. But at the end of the day, everybody a do them thing, everybody a put in the work for represent dancehall. That is a good look. Yeah, man, it's a good look that people. So Shaggy and Sean Paul, the man them a do the thing them from then till now, and I have to appreciate the artists them more too. Yeah, man, not because una they own the artists them and the artists them maybe not to their own much or certain little things. At the end of the day, no matter what, them man set the pace. Yeah, man. Them man set the pace. The man them have the accolades, and the man them do it same way without certain little endorsement or certain little absence. The man them do it same way. Yeah, man. Them might not be the industry frenzy them, but we still have to appreciate, say, look here, the man them put in the work same way. Cause if them never did that, we maybe certain little people would know certain things. Yeah, and man them a rock crowd same way, you see me? Yeah, man, if you not see how Shaggy do you the crowd wave, and you see me, and when you look on them people, oh, there's some different set of people, different set of crowd. But the man them still represent dancehall same way. Yeah, man. And what go on a wireless, it go on. It go on. The representation, yeah, is a good look for dancehall. The representation. If you know say yo, so much of our artists dep on one stage, I do the thing. You see me? The crowd might not react or you see me, but some artists just need to just get them thing better and get them thing together. Yeah, but at the end of the day, it's still going good. Yeah, man, we see say Drake call out, you see me? Yeah. Drake dipping at the dancehall thing and thing, you see me? But you don't know one circle of people them, so we understand that. But I saw the thing said people, you don't know me the facts, you know. Yeah, man, you know me I come out and talk the facts, is it? Yeah, man. You don't know any people. Just go and support the movement, cause we just get larger and larger every day, you know. Yeah, man, and big respect for the support them. Yeah, man, big up the Media Facts fans them. Big up the haters them. Big up all fan base. Yeah. We might go at it at times, but I saw it go. You see me? Sometimes you have to nice up the thing, shake up the thing, you see me? Yeah, man. But at the end of the day, the whole away is a fan, and we have an artist who represent. Yeah, man, and we have got different artists if we now come out, come talk things when I go so, or talk something, or talk off a hate and thing, you see me? Yeah. But it's a good look for dancehall right now, where every artist I represent, every artist. And everything does work out to a way where everybody get the access where them could have move to go represent dancehall. Yeah, man. It's a good look. Love it. Yeah. And I someone the thing go on. Now, so everybody get by them visa and thing. Yeah, I feel like say the thing I go on. Everybody get the access. We go via something. Yeah, it a go look good people. But when you don't know any people, and Media Facts, you know, yeah, man. One Media Facts, man. Big up on yourself, you see me? That is it.